The latest version of ADS 1.2.64 now uses license keys for certain manufacturing and design automation features. When you launch ADS, certain features will require a license key in order to activate. An example is the G-code post processor, which requires either the manufacturing 1, 2, or the unlocked license key. You can purchase a license key from the website. You can see the different features available under each of the license keys. Primarily, the free tier lets you open, import, export different file formats, do modeling, design with tube or surfaces or other structures, the mirroring, and a layout so that you can design your projects and then lay them out on different tables or manufacturing machines. The first license key for manufacturing one gives you access to 2.5 axis plasma table cutting or routing. 3D tube notching, you can design and export G-code for cutting on a CNC tube notcher, joints that intersect with tabs and slots. It will add bend markers for bend locations and PDF instructions for manual bends of these cut tubes. The manufacturing one also includes the G-code post processor so that you can use tools like Fusion 360 and their manufacturing plugin with 5-axis G-code export and controllers that don't support TCP. So that's the G-code G43.4 instruction. And then you can run controllers like that Mach 4 could run, so you can make your own 5-axis router. Manufacturing 2 includes everything in Manufacturing 1 with some additional features that are good for larger manufacturing. So it includes the 3D tube bending G-code, so you can generate G-code that will operate a CNC tube bender. So you can use the CNC tube notcher to cut tubes, and then the bender to bend the tubes and design and then cut and bend and assemble the parts for your projects. It includes tube notch nesting, which basically optimizes in your projects which tubes to cut in order to fit in your machines to reduce waste. The 3D tube notching export pie cuts is a feature that lets you use the tube notcher to cut pie cuts into a tube, and then you can weld them together and you can get varied different bend radius that a CNC or a manual tube bender can't accommodate. 5-axis routing, G-code, it's experimental. There are some features that are a work in progress, but there's a lot more of this that will be coming in the future. And then PDF invoicing will give you good cost estimates, and future versions of this will allow you to generate invoices based on the cost of materials and then costs for manufacturing so that you can build a business around the tools, do your design and manufacture as efficiently as possible. Design automation one includes features for 3D tube auto routing, which is like exhaust headers equal length, some features that are in progress. So chassis design, body design, CFD, all of these features are not functional yet, but they will be coming at some point in the future. Finally, there's an unlocked version, which is a cost savings way of purchasing a key that will activate all of the features, so the manufacturing and the design automation. You can click on these to purchase a license key. The keys will activate the features in your software perpetually, so you can run the software forever. The keys are also give you 1 year of feature updates, so the key will apply to any version of ADS software that's released within the next year. There is a time when you purchase the key, it will tell you which year the updates expire, and there will also be upgrade options. So if you want to continue getting feature updates, you can purchase license updates for the new features that come as each year progresses. I'm going to make a purchase. This is just a test. I'm going to purchase the unlocked license key. It's going to take me to a page with instructions on the next step. So I'm going to receive an email with the license key string. Each license that's purchased is tied to the email address. So the email that you use to make the purchase will have to be the same email in your account. And I will check my email. And here it is, the license key. I will copy it. I'll need to enter this along with the email address. The key will activate features in the versions released over the next year. The key does not expire, and it will continue to activate the features in the supported versions. You launch the application, select the File menu, Account, enter your information. Each license key is tied to an email address, so you will need to enter in your account the same email that you made the purchase with in a license key. Paste in the license key. The key will tell you which version of features are unlocked. The year the key expires, it will set the version, and you can click Save. The license key is a perpetual license, so it will operate these features that you've purchased in the version of software indefinitely. You also can update any future releases for 1 year, and it will tell you the expiry date, so you can download updates up until 2025 April 23. I'm going to save the changes. Now I can click on the features like the CAM G-code post processor, and it will load, and then I can use all of those features. In the tool up in the top are icons for the license key features activated. This particular one is unlimited with all of the features. There are also free tier, manufacturing 1, which is basic 2.5D routing, plate cutting, tube notching, and PDF instructions for manual 3D bending. Manufacturing 2 adds 3D bending and a bunch of other features, so you can use a CNC tube bender and a bunch of tools for managing large projects. So design automation includes the features for automated design, so tube structure, design, exhaust, routing, and future features that are not done yet, like CFD. Unlimited includes all of the features. This download icon will take you to the website to download new versions. It will include green if your license key is good for the next year, and when you are coming due to the expiry, it will indicate a little marker letting you know that now is a good time to download the latest version. Otherwise, you can buy an upgrade license key and continue downloading updates to the software.